Today I'm gonna meet up with friends and we're gonna tour Athens. We're gonna go up to the top of the Acropolis. We're gonna see the Parthenon. We'll do all the ancient kind of ruins and all the sites that I'm so excited to show you. And it's gonna be a fun one. Probably find some really good food today. Short ride because I'm already in the city, but we're gonna kind of run the gauntlet through the city. And anyway, so I'm gonna meet up with them and we're gonna have a whole lot of fun. So, are you ready to experience adventure? Let's ride. I think I'm ready for a new helmet. This thing has gotten beat up on this trip. How do you say go-go juice in Greek? I've been filming with the lens cap on all this time. I'm a genius. Athens is a beautiful city. It's been around for a long time. Has a very interesting history. Greek, history, Greek culture. There's just so much. Zeus, the Temple of Zeus. That is that building up there. Correction, this is not the Temple of Zeus, it's the Temple of something. I don't know how to pronounce it. All these statues of different leaders. What I find interesting about these statues is that these are the actual leaders of the Greeks, and I find it interesting that none of them had a head. They were all headless leaders. These people, see, look at that guy. Good looking dude. This guy, however, had a head but no body. Okay, here's what happened. So when the sculptors made these things, they would make them where they were almost modular, where you could take the arms off, replace the heads, because when a new leader needed a sculpture, they didn't want to rebuild the entire thing. So this would be a good example. Newer stone and then old stone. So that one's been replaced a few times. So yeah, so it's not like all these statues were found and their heads fell off. It was designed that way. It's actually quite smart. So the artist wouldn't have to sculpt the entire new body. You could just sculpt a new face, stick it on there, be done, cash his check, and go on vacation. He's using dental tools to clean it. He's a real dentist too, and that's, yeah. He's trained. He's.
The same tool, but the edge of the tool in front of the, it is more hard for the mark.
Wow. Can I try it? He's an actual dentist.
Oh, you're being serious?
With actual dental tools.
Wow.
And he's getting into little crevices and he's also filling cavities. When you read about Paul coming to Athens and you see that he went to the marketplace, this is it. He would have been literally right here. Here's the main road right through the center of town. You can see all the columns and the remains of those columns. But all of these would have been different businesses along the way. This is the marketplace. It's at the bottom. It's at the low-lying spot. But next, we're gonna see the high city, the Acropolis, and that's where it gets really interesting. Okay, gather around everybody. This building that you're looking at here is over 100 years old.
Europe must be a tour guide.
Yeah, I'm a little European tour guide. I can tell you the history of these places. This building is old. Yeah. Also, another thing I'll point out, a lot of people miss this, but where it is on the floor there, also old.
Oh,
Yes.
where's home? Where'd you learn all this stuff?
Nashville.
I got a son that lives in Franklin.
Oh, really?
In fact, we'll be there this coming weekend.
We're neighbors then.
We are.
Where are you guys from?
Michigan.
Michigan. I've heard of Michigan.
Yeah. Well, you are a true tour guide then.
Yeah. Me being a tour guide is something that I've dreamed of for, I don't know, an hour. This is a wall. Also very old. Old rock.
Are you with this gentleman?
Yeah.
My condolences.
The Acropolis, the high point of the city. From up here, you can see everything, but look how incredible this is. They're kind of restoring some stuff up here. This is kind of an ongoing effort for them to preserve it, but this is just a really cool place. What you're looking at is obviously the famous Parthenon. There's the city of Athens. There's the theater, one of them. There's another one over here. But all of these down here, there's different locations where there were all sorts of shrines and statues to different gods. And these are the ones that Paul talks about. All right, we're currently walking up a section called Mars Hill. This is the famous spot where I'm actually seated right now, where Paul and the Epicureans and the Stoics, they began to discuss and all of these philosophies and these ideas, and they were so intrigued by what Paul was saying. They were like, who is this guy? What is he talking about? And he said, I see that you are very religious and have all these things about gods. He says, but I'm here to tell you about the unknown God. And they were very interested, and they said, we will hear you about this again. But it was literally right here. So pretty sweet to be able to come and see this. And not a bad view, huh? Ah, there's a protest going on. I can't go straight. They had the road blocked over there. So now I got to figure out a new way around. This is redirecting. It's all good. But look at the traffic. All right, I'm gonna split. This is how we do it. Ah, okay. I don't know what happened there. I think it's actually not too bad. Okay, so I went and changed clothes and got on the train and came back into town because there's a very interesting thing that we're about to do, and I got pressured into being a part of it. So you're about to see first dinner, but then we're gonna do something very interesting and weird. This view, there's the Parthenon. That's where we visited earlier today. Okay, check out this Greek salad. And the chicken and the chains. Okay, I've been arm twisted into this experience that's about to happen. Are you ready for this? It's about to get weird. I'm about to get massaged by a fish. So the idea is you put your feet in the aquarium and the fish massage your feet.
I think they try to get all of the bad things off. They don't massage them together.
What do you think?
I'm nervous.
James, you're doing it too?
Yeah, I did say this one.
These fish are hungry. They're following his feet. Okay, I don't want to. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god. This is so bad. This is so awful. I don't think it's
What do you think?
I like it.
Brock, you haven't even done it.
I haven't done it. These size 14s, when they go in, the water's gonna overflow.
At first it tickles, but now I'm okay.
Okay, here we go. About to go in the water. Oh! This is so weird.
I think I like these things.
Oh my gosh. This is so weird.
We're gonna feel so fresh after this.
No.
But you gotta relax, like James.
No, but he went through torture training in special forces school. Look at him. The fish are like chewing on my flesh. It's so ticklish. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, that one's getting my cuticle.
I'm getting used to it. I'm getting used to it. But it's still like, it's making it, even my ears itch. Okay, this might be the weirdest video we've done in a long time, so I hope you're liking this. If you are liking this, then please like and subscribe. There's a lot more adventure coming.